Hey everyone, hope you're well today. So today I'm going to introduce you to Stripe's new payment link feature. So it's a super exciting feature it is, and it's very good for people like me who doesn't have a real coding background, and we just want to create a simple link that we can send to one of our customers on their phone or on their email or wherever they can just pay us directly they can. Okay, so let's get into today's videos. Okay, so go over to stripe.com and click sign in. I was in here recently, so it may not ask me for a password or two-factor authentication. It did not. Okay, so once you get in here, you can see some of your metrics you can. I'm just going to make it a little bigger to make it easier to see for you. Okay, so once we're in here, we're going to go over to more. So when we go over to more, let's click on payment links, no code checkout page. So this is really, really good. Okay, so once we get in here, we're going to create a new link. Okay, so we can also, let's create a new product while we're at it as well. Okay, so I'm going to call this new product. Not very original, I know. Okay, put a description, how much it's going to be, doesn't really matter, $9.99. Is it going to be one time or recurring? So in my case here, it's going to be one time. Additional options, price and description. Sometimes I'd put in a note for myself, so it's product plus postage. You can upload an image here, which can be very nice. Depends on what it is. You don't want your image to be too cluttered. So when I open this, okay, these are all quite cluttered, but this one might looks okay. Let's add this one. So when we send this link to our customer, they can see what they're actually buying. And there it is. We can see it's a bug detector. It is, and that. Okay. So I'm going to click Add New Product. Okay. So it's a little bit slow. I also could have picked my currency there. So I picked it, I let it default as being euro, but if your currency is in US dollars, you can simply change that. This is an overview of what my payment page is going to look like. This is the product, this is the quantity I've down. We can change the quantity. We can also let the customers adjust the quantity we can if we want, between 0 and how many ever. If you have 10 products, you can adjust it to 10. You can add another product in. I'm not going to do that. Allow promotional codes. I find you can do this if you want. It's good sometimes for groups of customers. You need to create a coupon with it. I can show you how to do that on the products page. Collect customers' addresses. So you can click billing address only and billing and shipping address. So normally I would click billing and shipping address in case my customers had one billing address and we're shipping to someone different, so sometimes it can be handy. It can be. The billing address only is often used to authenticate some of the payment details. So if you have only this one and they put in the ship to address, it could end up causing the payment to fail. That's just one little thing I'll say. I'm not going to select this here today because when I'm recording, it is a tendency to freeze for some reason. And require customers to provide the phone number. If you're sending it by courier, this is usually required, so you probably want to have it in. So you can see now that I've added these here, you can see how it's changed what the payment page looks like. The email, phone number, card details, name. There's a drop down of which country. If you're doing billing and shipping address, you can also select to only send it to certain countries. So if I click on this, which I don't really want to, and then you can select shipping countries. So as I said, it's actually doesn't appear to be working here for me, so I'm just going to change it back to billing address only. So there we go. I'm just going to leave it at this for the video because it doesn't like it. If you have your own confirmation page, you can actually put your custom default page. You can. I do not, so I'm not going to include that. Okay, so we can just create a link here now. Let's create our payment link. It's creating it here, and this is our new payment link. Okay, so let's copy it. So this is, this product is about 3 times that value. Okay, so let's just open it and see what it looks like. Seems to be a little slow. I think it's just because I'm recording. So this is what the customer is going to see. So you can simply just put in their email address. As you can see, there was a delay on the Google Pay button. That's because it was reading what type of device we were from, and it creates the Google Pay button after. So this can be handy. Email address. This is everything you see. It defaults to Ireland because I'm located in Ireland, but you can actually change your address to wherever your billing address. Now you can save your info for future, and then they just simply put pay, and then it will transfer to your account. So that's how you create a one-time payment. Next is how you create a recurring payment, plus also how you do discount coupons. So let's do that. Okay, so let's start again. So if you want to do a recurring payment, or if you want to have discounts, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so let's create a new product. Okay, call it month. Yeah, sorry. call this monthly plan. Okay, add this. So it's monthly plan. I'm not going to put an image in because I don't have it. You can put a description in if you want. So how much a month? Let's just say $29.99 is the handiest. If you're in the US, you can pick dollars, whatever you want. We're going to do a recurring payment because we'll say we're, a gym or a personal trainer and we want to collect this every month from the person. We can collect it however long we want. We can put a custom period in. Okay. Price description, you can put in, we won't, if it's a gym, that's not going to be relevant, we can leave that out. Okay, so let's add this product. Okay, so again, I think one is all we need. We don't need to let them adjust the quantity because that's all they're going to be doing in this case. This is so far what it looks like. This time we're going to allow a promotional code. So here, they can add their promotional code. So there is no promotional code on Stripe at the minute, so we'll need to actually create the promotional code later to let them adjust this pricing. Do we want to collect the address? Isn't required. Do we want to collect their phone number? We can also include a free trial if we want. We can set it to, say, instead of 30 days, 3 days. So they get a 3-day free trial if they want, and then $29.99 a month after. I'm not going to include it. You can if you want. It's pretty simple. Okay. So we need to create our promotional code after this. So let's create our payment link first. Okay. Okay. So here's our payment link. It is. We're not going to use this for the minute because we don't have our promotional code ready. So we're going to go up to products here, and we're going to go down to coupons here. No coupons. Okay, so let's create a coupon. First purchase discount. I'm just going to go. What do we call it? Just say yes. I have no idea. I had a bit of a blank moment there. So we can do a percentage discount, we can do a fixed amount discount. Let's just do a fixed amount discount again. So again, we can do it in, I would recommend doing it in the currency you're planning on paying in. So I'm going to do mine in euros, and I'm going to say they can have a €10 discount. Do we want this to apply to all products or specific products? I'm going to say specific products. Find a product, monthly plan. There we go. So I'm going to do it only to this one. You can add as many as you want. I wouldn't recommend in case they use it on a product they shouldn't. What's your duration? Forever, once, multiple months. I'm just going to leave it forever. To me, it's not important for this video. Redemption limits. You can change this. Have a look here if you want. So let's create this coupon. Okay, have a look at our coupon. Promotional code, we need to add the code, don't we? It will create this by default. I would always recommend you do it yourself. So I'm just going to write 10 off. So 10 OFF, eligible for first orders, limit to specific customers you can do. Add an expiration date. You can do all of these things you want. It depends on what your own needs are. So let's click add promotion code. Okay, so now we've added our code. Happy days. Okay, so let's go back to our payment links and find that one again and see does it work. Here's our monthly plan. Here's our code. Let's copy it. Let's open. You can do this on a one-time only. It doesn't have to be a recurring payment either. Okay, again it's a bit slow. Add our promotional code, see does it work now. 10 OFF and apply. Whew, that worked. That would be awkward for the video if it didn't. Again, they can put in whatever details here they like, and then just simply click subscribe. So that's how you create it. If you want to change this payment page, actually, I'm going to create another video in the next few days on how you add your own branding or change your colors to make it look like you want. But that's simply how you use Stripe's new payment link feature. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.